Guys, so we're doing the first brake job on the 19 zx6r. We're going to be using some EBC brakes, double H centered. Trying to use this brake parts cleaner. Use as little as possible on the calipers to clean them out. Primarily soap and water. A few tools. They're both 5mm. Just going to see which one works best as far as getting the pin out. Got a 12mm socket. Some couple ratchets. So we're gonna see what it do. Taking a little 5mm. We're gonna go ahead and break these loose right here. And I'll get you all the torque specs and everything. That way, for those of you that don't like to hand tighten stuff, give it a couple turns. That way you're not having to go through and search through. And that's gonna be good all the way from 2013 to 2020 bikes. I'm gonna need the deep. I'm just gonna do one side on video, and then I'm gonna do the other side itself. I got another thing. Another thing to mention is get some of those Scotch Brite pads, the green ones, or some like very fine sandpaper. You're gonna want to hit this part of the rotor on both sides, just to kind of give it a neutral texture again. That way, when the new pads set in, they're not having it, they're not troublesome. And also, my rotors really don't have a lip at all right here, and I got like 21 to 22,000 miles on here already. So and I use my brakes quite a bit, around town, but especially stopping out from higher speed or trail braking in constantly for hours out of the day. When we go out to ride Lime Creek Road out there by Lake Travis, or 1431 Marble Falls area, the standard routes. Okay, get these backed out. Just be careful with the speed sensor. You don't want to harm that. So we're going to slide these back a little bit and then kind of pull it out. And we don't bang up your rim. At the same time, don't tear your rotor up either. Those things will bend. Undo that clip. I don't have braided lines, so I don't want to do this in a bad fashion. So that's what my brakes are looking at about 22,000 miles roughly. See how it's starting to crack up at the top? But I tell you what, they worn pretty evenly. Those son of a bitches are dirty though. I'm gonna go ahead and pop these pads out, further inspect them. But I'm gonna insert the pads back in to go ahead, once I clean those pistons, to back the pistons back out versus harming the new ones. So yeah, I actually thought they were gonna be worse than this. They're all right. They were due for a change. I'm gonna set you back down.
Shorty so high, she bought a pill, now she call it super life. Yeah, she want me come over, fuck her body, so she fuck me all the night. Yeah, bitches in the club sell their souls for a drive to Cloud9. Yeah, seem like they will do everything to feel a bit alive.
Super life, she gon' live it twice. Nothing that she wouldn't do to try to feel alive. Super life, don't care if it's right. She just wanna get a little taste of what it's like.
Super light, she gon' live that. If you broke, she ain't with that. Super white, she gon' sniff that. Tryna get to a high, she can't get back. Call me up, I know what she want. Someone to get high with, somebody to fuck. Every time they call it suicide. I call it lost, but she call it super light.
Yeah, shorty so high, she bought a pill, now she call it super life. Yeah, She want me come over, fuck her body, so she fuck me all the night. Yeah. Bitches in the club sell their souls for a drive to Cloud9. Yeah. Seem like they will do everything to feel a bit alive.
When she call me up, I know what she want. Someone to get high with, somebody to fuck. Saying she crazy, they calling it suicide, but I call it loss. She call it super life.
Yeah. Shorty so high, she bought a pill, now she call it super life. Yeah. She want me come over, fuck her body, so she fuck me all the night. Yeah. Bitches in the club sell their souls for a drive to Cloud9. Yeah. Seem like they will do everything to feel a bit alive.
It's like she's so high, you can see it in both her eyes. She ain't even got emotions left, she ain't even got a pulse, don't try. You don't even wanna ask that girl, better make 2 feet, 4 or 5. Everybody knows she's super lit, like supernovas in the sky. I think it's funny how a superficial girl.
So members, we're using EBC brakes. Double H centered brakes. Give you a quick little comparison to the brake I kind of jacked up. I'm putting the other. Let me actually turn around. You can't see that. But yeah, that's almost half, at least. So, get those shit down here. And please, whatever you do, put these in the right way. Don't put them in backwards. Okay. Let's make sure our little clip's nice and dry. I'll hit it with that towel real quick. Hit it with some air.
Tryna live a super fucking life. She ain't even got a super fucking clue how to ever make it to the other side. She wanna be on film, super A. She wanna make those meals super size. She wanna live a new life you could taste. She just wanna live a super life. Life.
Super life, she gon' live it twice. Nothing that she wouldn't do to try to feel alive. Super life, don't care if it's right. She just wanna get a little taste of what it's like.
When she call me up, I know what she want. Someone to get high with, somebody to fuck. Saying she crazy, they calling it suicide, but I call it loss. She call it super life.
Yeah. Shorty so high, she bought a pill, now she call it super life. Yeah. She want me come over, fuck her body, so she fuck me all the night. Yeah. Bitches in the club sell their souls for a drive to Cloud9. Yeah. Seem like they will do everything to feel a bit alive.
When she call me up, I know what she want. Someone to get high with, somebody to fuck. Saying she crazy, they calling it suicide, but I call it loss. She call it super life.
shorty so I should pop a pill, now she call it super life. Yeah. She want me come over, fuck her body, so she fuck me all the night. Yeah. Bitches in the club sell their souls for a drive to Cloud9. Yeah. Seem like they will do everything to feel a bit alive.
Super life, she gon' live it twice. Nothing that she wouldn't do to try to feel alive. Super life, don't care if it's right. She just wanna get a little taste of what it's like.
Super light, she gon' live that. If you broke, she ain't with that. Super white, she gon' sniff that. Tryna get to a high, she can't get back. Call me up, I know what she want. Someone to get high with, somebody to fuck. Every time they call it suicide. I call it lost, but she call it super light.
Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get started on the other side. Still gonna do those. So okay, so I finished up both sides, sanded down the old shit, cleaned it off a brake cleaner, and yeah. So now all that's left is to torque these down. I was correct. The caliper front bolts, mounting bolts, are 25 foot-pounds. So gotta hit both sides. Let's see if I can do this real quick. Quick update, about 1,500 to 1,700 miles later with the new EBC pads from day one. I don't know if y'all can see that, but from there back, mainly like about halfway through there, it's like a little fresh part of the rotor that wasn't touched by the Nissin pads. So even though the EBC pads fit, they weren't 100% compatible with like the pattern of the Nissin ones. I guess the Nissin ones were like a little smaller, and the EBC take up the whole rotor. So next time I'll just be buying a fresh set of rotors. I went and took a Dremel, grinded down the pad a little bit just to kind of match this, even it out. Boom. Otherwise, it was making like almost like a little noise, like a metal on metal noise. Or well, you could hear basically the pads sliding against the rotors a little more. But I mean, they still stopped on a dime. But once I grinded it down, it kind of went away, and now it's evening out over this past couple hundred miles. Other than that, we're set. Oh yeah, I got a fresh set of tires too. Well, I've already put 1,000 on those. My Michelin Power RS tore on me when I was out on Lime Creek Road out there, Lake Travis, Valente Beach area. But I mean, it was time for new tires. It was like right at the wear markers, but since they don't have wire running through the middle, I wasn't able to go down to the wire, so they tore. Anyways, guys, EBC brake pads, thumbs up for me.